Hello everyone, we have lots of videos on probate. When is probate needed? What is probate? What kind of information do you need? How much does it cost? How long does it take? But today let's talk about when is probate not necessary. So let's talk about it. Here are a few circumstances. If you are married and you own your house and all your other assets as joint tenants with the right of survivorship, when one spouse dies, the other one receives everything, likely there will be no probate needed. If, however, you are married and the assets are not held in joint tenancy, or if you have financial accounts without beneficiaries or predeceased beneficiaries, then probate may be needed. 2. If you have real property, and let's say you are the only one on the deed, either because you're not married or because it's your separate property, if you have a trust, if you have a transfer on death deed or an estate plan in place, probate will likely not be needed because that's one of the purposes of having an estate plan in place is to avoid probate. 3. If you have no real property, either because you're renting or because you just sold it or because you live in a community and you don't own necessarily your home, you may not need probate as long as you make sure you have beneficiary listed on all your accounts. Life insurance, investments, go to the bank, put payable on death beneficiaries on those bank accounts, and then you will likely not need probate. 4. If you don't have much, you just have a car and some bank accounts, then again you will likely not need probate as long as, again, have beneficiaries listed. A car is personal property does not trigger probate. So there are some affidavits with the DMV where you can claim title to that car without having to go through the court system. So to summarize it, if you have real property, have an estate plan in place to make sure you avoid probate. If you don't have real property, or if you do, but you also have financial accounts such as life insurance, investments, retirement, pension, IRAs, whatever you may have, be sure to have listed beneficiaries on those accounts, not just primary, but also alternate. If something were to happen to you and your primary beneficiary, then it goes to your contingent one, again, avoiding probate. Otherwise, let's say you have a life insurance policy, they're not going to know who to pay and they may require probate if it's over a certain amount. I hope this video helped. Please be sure to watch our other educational videos. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel or even join us if you are local in person to our free educational events at the Well here in Norman. Thank you for watching.